Outside Safeway in Portland's Pearl District, wide support for COVID shots, now without a prescription.
I called earlier and they weren't, and now they are, so I'm going.
If you want to go get a COVID shot, go get a COVID shot.
The confusion started weeks ago with new federal guidelines on COVID-19 vaccines, recommending it only to those over 65, those with high medical risk factors, or those with a prescription from their doctor. Many states responded to those changes by creating their own vaccine guidelines. As for West Coast states and Hawaii, anyone who requests a COVID-19 vaccine can now get one.
It's still a continuing problem. It's not something that we're just going to go away magically.
Safeway and Albertsons say the new COVID vaccine is now available for children 7 years old and older. Those under the age of 7 will need to go to their pediatrician for the vaccine. And Albertsons, pharmacist overseeing patient care services for Oregon and Washington, says the guidelines are similar to previous years. No prescription required.
Of course, it's inconvenient for them. And also confusion because they didn't understand because it wasn't required in the past. And I don't blame them at all. It's definitely something new.
Doctors with the Oregon Health Authority are assuring patients that frustrations with delayed vaccines and confusing guidelines are over.
And some pharmacies may not have all the stock in place and may not have updated their protocols, but we're hearing from people and from pharmacists and our partners on the ground that in most places that's in place and that they were really happy to see those changes from the Board of Pharmacy.
Dr. Dean Seidlinger says patients now have one set of recommendations for Western states, and customers only need to worry about finding time for the shot.
Hopefully there's less frustration out there in Oregon this week than there was last week, and we'll continue to look to try and look at our data, look at the evidence, make recommendations to folks in Oregon about getting vaccinated, and that they can trust those recommendations because they're based on the latest data.
And other pharmacies like CVS are offering those vaccines without a prescription. They say just check with your doctor and see if your pharmacy has updated their protocols. Now back to you.